Hello dear friends. Here's another completed dream home project for our client from Bulgarian propertyfinder.com. 97 square meters of open plan living, an island kitchen with a dining area and a living room. To celebrate the New Year holidays, our team gifted the client a set of additional renders to show how beautiful and cozy this home will look at the same time next year. For those of you who need design and visualization services, you can take advantage of our offering starting January 6th. We will respond to all inquiries as soon as we reopen after the holidays. For us, this has been an exciting year filled with pleasant challenges. We introduced a range of new services to make it easier for our clients to handle real estate transactions, design projects, and construction renovations. Thank you to everyone who believed in us. In the upcoming new year, we will work with even greater enthusiasm to assist the people who choose our services. Happy New Year, dear friends! May it bring you health, happiness, and success in all your endeavors.